Let's listen to the animated story. My Mother Kept One Secret, Level A2. Iwa Reading Club. My mother never lied to me. At least, that is what I believed. She always answered my questions. She always helped me. She always smiled and said,
"One day, you will understand."
When I was 6 years old, I asked,
"Where is my father?"
She smiled sadly and said, "He loved you very much." I wanted to ask more, but she kissed my head and changed the subject. Every year, I asked again. Every year, she gave me the same answer. He loved you very much. When I was 10, other children talked about their fathers. My dad is a doctor. My dad plays football with me. My dad taught me to ride a bike. I came home and asked my mother, "What did my father do?" She looked out of the window. Then she smiled. He loved you very much. I was not happy with that answer. When I became older, I stopped asking. But I never stopped wondering. Every birthday, my mother baked my favorite cake. Every Christmas, she gave me a small present. Every difficult day, she hugged me. She worked hard. She never bought expensive things for herself. But somehow, every year, there was always a new book on my desk. A warm coat in winter. A birthday gift. I often asked, "How do you do everything alone?" She only smiled. One day, you will understand. Years passed. I finished school. I found a job. I moved into my own apartment. My mother was growing older. Her hair became white. Her hands became slower, but she still smiled the same way. Then one autumn evening, she became sick. Very sick. At the hospital, she held my hand. "There is something in the old wooden box," she whispered. "I think it is time." Those were the last words she said to me. After the funeral, I went back to her small house. Everything looked the same. Her favorite chair, the old clock, the smell of fresh tea. In the corner of her bedroom stood the old wooden box. Inside were hundreds of letters. Every letter had my name. Under them was another bundle. This time, another name, my father's. My hand started shaking. I opened the first letter. "My dear Anna," it said. "I miss you every day. Please kiss our son for me." I opened another. "I hope he likes the little red bicycle. Tell him it is from Santa if you must." Another. "I cannot wait until he is old enough to understand why I cannot come home." Then another. And another. There were letters for every year of my life. Photos, birthday cards, drawings, even a tiny bracelet from the hospital where I was born. Then I found the last envelope. It was from my mother. My dear son, your father did not leave us. He was a firefighter. When you were only 1 year old, he died while saving 2 children from a burning building. I wanted you to grow up loving him, not feeling sorry for him. I wanted you to remember only one thing. He loved you very much. Now you know why I always said those words. I cried harder than I ever had before. All those years, I thought my mother was hiding my father from me. But she was protecting both of us. Sometimes love is not telling someone everything.
Where is my father?
Sometimes love is waiting until they are strong enough to understand.
One day, you will understand.
If you enjoyed this story, leave a comment. We'll keep making stories like this.